Hi guys, Jason here for Jason's Trucking Info. Me and my co-driver got to get over the mountains. We are in Hudson, Colorado right now, and you can see out my front window, you can see how bad the parking lot is. We are fixing to get out. We're gonna put chains on, and he's gonna record me putting the chains on all by myself. I'm gonna put the chains on real quick. We're gonna try to do this real quick. I'm not gonna be talking. I'm gonna talk a little bit, but I'm mainly just gonna put the chains on, and then we'll take some more video with my phone here. I'll take some more footage up in the mountains. I'll do some recording when I'm driving through the mountains. It's gonna be crazy, windy, it's cold, and I'm not gonna be wanting to be out there very long because it is crazy windy. And we got a light load of mail. We've only got like a 60-some% load. And so we are light, and we're going up into the mountains. We're in Hudson, Colorado. We got to go through Denver, up through the Hosa and the Eisenhower Johnson tunnels, and up to Vail, probably on the other side, before we'll be able to take them chains off. So we're gonna have some fun. So, all right, let's get to it. As you can see, it is windier than crap out here. So I'm about to get the chains out. Knife to get into those usually, unless you think you're strong enough. They're made of tough material. We're going to deal with used chains.
Bad out here, boy.
Make sure these cams are out on the outside. All right? You want to set these up, you got to decide whether you're going to go backwards or forwards with this shit when you're going to back up. When you're taking out chains, they're going to be all hooked up and in a mess usually. Now on one end of the chains, you got this part with the hook. All right? On the other end, you got both ends. See this? You got so many links, all right? Your goal is to get as tight as possible by going 1, 2, 3, 4. There's 5 links here. Well, you probably aren't gonna get all 5 links, but the more in you go, is the tighter you are. The more you can get tight on there, the better. You want these chains as tight as possible. So here we go. I plan on going forward. Make sure all these cams are in the open position. This is the closed, this is the open. This is how we tighten them up. And we got a chaining tool, hopefully. If not, I'll have to get into that new bag of chain to get one out of there. Make all these cams open before you do anything. Guys, I went ahead, got the other set of chain out, got it all laid out nice and pretty. This is the way that they go on. Cams on the outside, and look that way. This is going to be a little bit reversed. I should flip this over. So you go have them go the same way. Another thing you want to do is make sure these are straight. Get them all not straight when you first put them on. Get them tight. It could promote them coming off and stuff, especially if you don't get them on tight. Sometimes it's hard to get them on tight too. Open. All right. So I'm gonna be going forward. I'm gonna set the other chains up the same way. You gotta know whether you're gonna go backwards or forwards to put the chains on. If you notice, this Loves is like pretty, nobody here. Normally this Loves is like all busy and stuff, but it's so busy. The only trucks here are the ones parked. The ones that might come in looking for a place to park. And us crazy people here at Ellen Richie, we're going on. We're gonna go up in the mountains and play around. All right, let's get gonna go back up, or go forward actually, and try not to go too far so they fall off the other side. Doing this by yourself, you're gonna have to use your mirrors and readjust your mirrors, and then you gotta watch your mirror and see how far you gotta back up before they fall off the other side. But you don't want to stop. You want to get it right about the upper right corner of the tire. Like if you looked at the tire, looked at it as a square, think of it as the upper right corner. You kind of want to get it up in that area where the one end is, and you can bring the other chains back up, hook them up. So, all right, let's do this. we start going forwards, we're gonna have to set it up to go backwards because the alternates came off. Hopefully they do. That side didn't even move, so they didn't do anything. What we're gonna do is we're gonna set this up and go backwards. First, what I'm doing is I'm just kind of getting halfway hooked, and I'm going to try to get some slack up front, pull it forward. I'm not sure if I can get the fourth or not. I was able to get the fourth, almost fifth on the front. Wrench, a brand new one. I had to get into one of the new bags because another chain wrench, for some reason it was too wide, didn't want to fit in the hole. But I already tightened this one up. It's pretty tight. Might have to retighten it later, might not. But I'm gonna get these connected. Okay, what I'm doing here is I'm gonna have to move forward and back a little bit because these are all loose. Kind of got bunched underneath the tire, so I'm gonna have to go backwards and forwards to get that underneath so I can pull up this. Alright guys, so I gotta get out and go forward and backwards and try to get that bunched up chain. Probably just go backwards a little bit and hope I can unbunch that chain. I hooked it up just a couple of links. That's what you're gonna have to do sometimes when you're dealing with chains. It doesn't even matter if they're new chains, but usually new chains you don't usually have too many problems with. It's old chains that usually give you problems, especially if they got weird hookups, because there's all kinds of different chains with different kind of hooks, and some of them got little pieces of metal that you gotta fit through a link and go back around and hook on stuff. And there's a little triangle version, there's a long bar version, there's all kinds of different chains out there. I like these are the normal version, where it's just a link that's a hook that you hook up on as far into the 5 links on that chain on each side as possible. Those are the ones I like the most. But here you just got to get them as tight as possible, because especially I'm going to be going a long distance, longer than normal. Normally I would just be chaining up on the bottom of Eisenhower and Johnson tunnels at the bottom of the mountain incline or whatever, the hill at the very bottom at the chain station, and I'd be going up through the tunnels, down the other side, and all through there, and coming up the other side of Vail, and usually unchained down at the chain station on the other side of Vail. But in this case, we're going like twice the distance probably, because we are in Hudson, Colorado. We gotta get from Hudson 20 miles down the road into Denver, or whatever, how many miles it is from here into Denver. Go through Denver, and the roads are going to be crap all the way through. I doubt there's going to be any clear roads. I'm going to be very, very surprised if the roads are clear anywhere between here and Vail. So plows are probably out. It's probably going to be very dangerous, slick. There's going to be cars and trucks off on the sides of the roads, and I might be stopped. The roads might be closed when I get there. I might be having to be waiting in certain spots. So, and I'm going to have to keep my chains on. I'm not taking these things off till I get to the other side of Vail, because I'll probably have to stop and put them back on, and that's just a waste of time. So you got to save time where you can, because we're going to have enough places where we're going to lose time. So we've been sitting here warming up a little bit. We're fixing to get out here, and I'm going to back up and try to get these chains unbunched a little bit so that I can get the thing up there and get them tighter. And then I'm going to drive a little bit, and I'm probably going to pull over at the first chain station and check them to see if they're loose, because I don't want them coming off, because I don't want to have to rechain and stuff, because you got to get them on as good as possible. Hi guys! It's not really that cold out, but it is really windy, snowy out. So I had to take my glasses off because they're getting all messed up with snow and stuff. So we're about to go try to redo this. Get the loose part tightened up. Right there, on the bottom corner, and get it up about right here. Somewhere in in this vicinity is best. Same thing with this one. It's about the same spot. That hook there needs to up here in this vicinity is best. Because I'm only on the second link. If I can get to the third, or even, oh shit. Getting anything? If I can get that fourth link, oh no, I don't think I'm gonna be able to, but I will get the third. Hands are cold. Alright, I'm just gonna have to go with it. Might try tightening up later. Let's see how tight these get. After I tighten the cams up, hopefully we're tight enough. Loose. We'll have to get going and just get down the road a little bit, and then we'll check them again after go down the road a little bit. But this one I'm going to worry about. This chain right here, it's not as tight as I'd like, but I have trouble getting to that next one. So we'll try it again after we drive a little bit and loosen up. One of the dangers of the chains falling off is they could fall off and tear up the crossfires between the trailers. They keep the air full tires, they could get a flat tire, they could tear up and shred the tires, and who knows what other damage those chains could cause if they fall off and do damage to stuff. They could get hooked up on the other chains, and you know, there's all kinds of possibilities that can happen. The other thing you got to worry about is other trucks that have lost their chains and them popping a tire. If they've worn through their links and there's a sharp spot, they'll pop a tire. You got to watch for other drivers' chains that are laying on the ground as well, and try not to drive over top of them with your tires, especially with your chains on, because you might snag them up. So anyway, let's get going. Alright guys, it is 9 o'clock Central Time, 8 o'clock here. We're at Loch Buie. We made it 6 miles down the highway after we chained up. We made it 6 miles and we've been here waiting ever since. They literally had the state patrol blocking off the rest of 76. And I hear I-70 is open in spots, I think going both ways as long as you have chains on. The problem is we're still on I-76, and as far as I can tell, the road's still closed, and I can't tell, but let me show you guys. It's cleared up quite a bit. All the blowing snow, the low visibility is kind of over. If you look up there, here. There's still semis up on the bridge to get going eastbound up there. There's still trucks. None of these trucks have tried None of these trucks have tried leaving yet. And I got the building in my way. Over there on the other side of the building is where if I try to go over to that stop sign right over there, somewhere over in that neighborhood, like right next to that pole, if I try pulling out of here, I might not be able to go, so I don't want to set off my time, which I should be able to just pull over to the stop sign and see if the state patrol is still impeding my path. But we're trying to decipher 511 and the Colorado DOT app and stuff, and I've been busy working on this video to upload for y'all. This one right now that I'm getting ready to upload. So keep you posted. I'll be going live here right after I hit save. I'll probably go live You guys will see me live. You'll actually probably see my live will be posted before this video saves and I can start uploading it. So that's what's going on, folks. You're probably gonna see the live of us leaving before you see. So you're gonna see me chaining up at the Love's Truck Stop in Hudson, like this video, after you see me go live to try to get out of here. You're gonna see if I can actually get out. So that'll be an interesting video, and if I can't get out, then I'll just be sitting here talking to y'all, whoever comes on to talk, and then depending on whether people come in and chit chat or not will depend on how long I stay on. So that's usually, as long as I have people to interact with, I'll stay on for a long time, because I'm just playing the waiting game. But if I have to, if I get going, I'll probably go, I'll stay live just to show you guys how the roads are through Denver and stuff and up in the mountains. And I'll stay live however, as long as my signal stays good. Whatever, so wish me luck. Wish I can get out of here soon. I'm gonna end this video. So if you guys are liking these videos of mine, hit subscribe, hit the bell so you're notified of all my upcoming videos. Hit the like button and leave any comments or questions and I'll get back to you. So catch you all later on next video. Bye.